viewers, I'm Sangeeta, your maths teacher. Today in this video we are going to learn about the vertical opposite angles, and before going to learn that vertically opposite angles, I'm going to give the answer for my previous video's task, that is linear pair of angles. And the task was on this diagram. You need to find here the linear pair of angles. First pair you can write it as angle 1 and angle 2. On this pink color line you can find here angle and 1 and angle 2. When we add these two angles, it will be equal to 180 degree. And second pair of angles are like angle 4 and angle 3. Here if we take downside, again 180 degree we will find here with the angle 4 and angle 3. And one more pair you can find it like this. Here angle 1 and angle 4. If we assume this blue line as a straight line, this is the common ray, pink color ray on this point. Again we will find here angle 1 and angle 4 as linear pairs. One more pair again we will find here on this opposite side. Here is angle 2 and angle 3. Here there are totally 4 pair of linear pair of angles. After knowing the answers for my previous video's task, now we are going to learn about the vertically opposite angles in this video. And first we will go with the definition. Here vertically opposite angles are the angles, they are also found in the pairs. Okay, vertically opposite angles are pair of angles formed by two lines intersecting at a point. Here the definition says that there are two lines. Here you can see with the diagram, it will be more clear for you. Here it is one pink color line called PQ and one more blue color line, that is AB. They both are intersecting at the point O. Here you can see the middle O. When there is an intersection, there will be again four angles are formed. You can see here there are two angles with brown markings and there are two angles with the yellow color markings. And now here exactly vertically opposite angles means you can see there are four angles, but in that two angles are yellow color. Here yellow color angle you can find out here, one is facing towards east and one is facing towards west. Like this, totally opposite they are facing. Such type of angles are called vertically opposite angles, and they are almost formed with the two lines where they intersect. They will form by the intersection of two lines, two straight lines. When they meet at the point, there will be a formation of vertically opposite angles. Here you can see that angle AOQ and POB. One pair of vertically opposite is angle AOQ is vertically opposite and it is also equal to POB. Here vertical angles are also opposite to each other and they are equal to each other. And now one more pair you can find here. Yes, it is correct. Brown color marking. AOP, angle AOP is opposite to which angle? BOQ. Angle BOQ. And these two are equal to each other. Such you can see here vertically opposite angles, when they are formed with the intersection of two lines, then the four angles are formed by the intersection of two lines. Here we got four angles, but there are two pairs. We got here two pair of vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles will be equal to each other. Here it's not must that always we get four angles or four angles. When four angles are formed when the two lines are intersected. Okay, here there are two lines intersected with each other at the point O, and here we got four angles and two pair of vertically opposite. When there are more lines intersecting with each other, then we have the case there different. There will get more number of vertically opposite angles. Let us see one more example so that you can understand. One more example I'll take. If I'll draw one red color line here and one more blue color line which is intersecting over this red color line. Here in this case we get only two pair of vertical opposite angle. If I'll draw one more angle which is intersecting again on the same intersection point, then we'll have here, we draw one more line over that in same intersection point, we'll have here one more pair of again vertical opposite angles. Like if I name these angles, you can see here how many angles we found here. There are totally 6 angles, and if we have 6 angles, how to name? If I'll take this red color line as A, B, and blue color line as P, Q, if I'll name this orange color line as E and F, if I'll take this intersection point as O, then how many pair of vertically opposite angles we get here? Like first we'll mark with the different colors so that you can recognize. For EOA, which will be the vertical opposite angle? BOF, that is this angle. And if we are getting angle AOQ, then which angle will be exactly opposite to this? Yes, this angle POB. You can find out here. Okay, next if I'll find this POE, then which will be the vertical pair for opposite pair for this? That is QOF. So we found here 3 pair of vertical opposite angles. Now let us name them. EOA, angle EOA will be paired with BOF angle, which is exactly opposite to EOA. And one more next pair is, if I'll take AOQ, angle AOQ, which will be equal to that POB, angle POB. Next one more pair is, if I'll take EOP, angle EOP, then exactly equal to that is angle QOF. So by 3 lines intersecting with each other at the same point, we got here 3 vertical opposite angles pairs. Okay, now like this only, when the number of lines increases with the intersection point at the same intersection point, then the number of vertically opposite angles pairs will be also increased there. Okay, now next is that I'm going to give you one task so that you can find out the vertically opposite angles and comment me on the comment section. Okay, task, I'm going to take one line with red color and one more line blue color and another line with orange color, so that you can find it very easily. And I'm going to name these angles with the numbers. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Here is your task so that you can write the vertically opposite angles for this diagram and comment me on the comment section. All understood what are vertically opposite angles? They are always found in the pairs and they are also equal. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching my channel. Keep watching and keep sharing. Don't forget to press the like button and bell button. Take care till then. Bye bye.